My name's Hefin Jones, and I'm a designer with a background in service design and now doing projects with much more of a social focus. The project I've done most recently is called Cosmic Colliery. It's part of the Design Museum's Design in Residence programme, and it's the kind of project that's grown out of a previous project I've done called the Welsh Space Campaign. Cosmic Colliery was kind of an idea I had towards the end of working on the Welsh Space Campaign, and through kind of the migration brief I got to really kind of explore what this could be as a project, you know, how it could take shape and what kind of format it would be. So yeah, I guess kind of in many ways this brief helped me to kind of make concrete those ideas and to kind of formalize them, I think, in many ways. So colliery means coal mine, and there's kind of loads of collieries kind of left in Wales now, many of them abandoned. The one I kind of focused on through this project was owned by a property developer who used to be kind of an acid house DJ in South London, and now he's come into possession of a coal mine. And kind of through that and working with these within kind of the context of collieries, I met interesting people like that and other people within the community and kind of fascinating characters which really informed the work. So at the end of this project, I kind of brought everyone together in a meeting. So this was barbers, school kids, kind of people from the youth centre, teachers, ex-miners, and everyone came together and shared what they'd done as part of this project. And that became a way for, you know, the older people to see the younger people as, you know, being potential. And that's really something I want to continue. Maybe it won't be continuing this project with that community about thinking about space, but really, like, what are those kids' ideas as a result of being involved with this project and thinking big? Do they then have an idea, or do they pursue a certain path as a result of this project? And can I get the community involved to support their ideas? You know, because really they're the kind of potential, and getting people involved with those people, engaging with their ideas, is really one of the main outcomes for me. The previous project I did was called the Welsh Space Campaign, and I worked with woolen crafts people throughout Wales, plumbers, clog makers, and that was in the kind of collaborative production of a spacesuit. So some of the last working wool mills provided fabric. My brother, who's a plumber, made a kind of functioning pressure system, and a clog maker made space boots. And again, that started this whole idea of making an object as a way into a feeling. The spacesuit wasn't really about primarily about making this object. It's about making an object and then having a kind of dialogue with people. So film is kind of the primary output of Cosmic Colliery, and within this kind of space campaign as well, I see film and people's responses as an equal importance as the artifact itself. You know, those sit alongside each other, because the object, I guess, is nothing without the person's feeling and kind of response to that thing being made. So I definitely see my kind of role within design and as a designer as a way to facilitate kind of relationships between people and really to get people together to think big. I don't really want to be the primary thing within my work. As much as possible, I want to decentralize my role as a designer and slowly get people to realize that, you know, the designer's there to kind of bring people together initially. However, the people that actually are going to cause change and make change happen are the people themselves. So I've kind of designing that as those kind of components into the project in some ways. So, you know, I would for Cosmic Colliery, I would meet people together and give a script to someone in the community to lead a meeting. You know, just things like that, to slowly move myself and my role as a designer kind of into the background and bring people into kind of the focus as them are the ones that are going to make something kind of happen.